Has distanced itself from the stunt that was performed by charismatic church pastor Alpha Lukau over the weekend. A video of the pastor performing what he claims was a miracle.
He allegedly resurrected a person from a coffin. The funeral parlor's vehicle was used to ferry the alleged deceased to the church on Sunday. A video clip is currently making the rounds on social media. The charismatic pastor is seen praying for a man lying in the coffin. It's claimed that the procession was on the way to the cemetery when they decided to go via the church. But the story has now taken a different twist. The funeral parlor in the picture is on record saying its vehicle was hired by the family. Kings and Queens Funeral Services says it did not have the body in its mortuary, and Black Phoenix Funerals say they have no record of the alleged deceased person.
The car was hired, and the family said they have a body at Black Phoenix Funerals. And from there, they bought a coffin from Black Phoenix Funerals because that coffin is not for Kings and Queens. We don't have that coffin in our mortuary. So from there, I heard they took the body from Santin. The body was in Santin. And they're explaining the body died on Friday and they only resurrected on Sunday. That much, I don't know how true is that. That's why I'm saying it will be fine if we have the family with us, also the pastor to explain how did this happen, where did they take the body from, because as Kings and Queens, we didn't have the body in our mortuary.